Today we will learn measurement of horizontal distance and vertical heights using tacheometric surveying. Objective: determination of elevation of points by tacheometric surveying. Equipment: tacheometer with tripod, tape, leveling staff, ranging rods. Theory: the tacheometer is an instrument which is generally used to determine the horizontal as well as vertical distance. It can also be used to determine the elevation of various points which cannot be determined by ordinary leveling. When one of the site is horizontal and staff held vertical, then the reduced level of staff station can be determined as we determine in ordinary leveling. But if the station is below or above the line of collimation, then the elevation or depression of such point can be determined by calculating vertical distances from instrument axis to the center here reading and taking the angle of elevation or depression made by line of sight to the instrument made by line of sight to the instrument axis. Procedure: 1. Set up the instrument in such a way that all the points should be visible from the instrument station. 2. Carry out the temporary adjustment and set vernier 0 reading making line of sight horizontal. 3. Take the staff reading on benchmark and determine the height of instrument. 4. Then sight the telescope towards the staff station whose reduced level are to be calculated. Measure the angle on vernier if the line of sight is inclined upward or downward, and also note the 3 crosshair readings. 5. Determine the reduced level of various points by calculating the vertical distance.